Here's what you can get for only 14,000 pesos per month with only annual lump sum of 650,000 here in Uptown Modern. Watch this video until the end. So, upon entering, you will be greeted by this cabinet. So, dito sa cabinet natin, meron tayong washer and dryer. So, that will be included to your studio unit. And by the way, ito nga pala yung light switch natin. So, soft touch siya. Ayan. And then, dito naman sa kabilang part will be your kitchen. Sa kitchen yung maganda, included na tong microwave na to. And then, of course, meron tayong 2 induction cooktop na dito. And of course, meron din tayo ditong range hood. So, ito is by Goren Hay and Oraito. So, meron din tayong lots of cabinets dito. And then, ito yung maganda dito sa studio unit. Built-in yung fridge natin. So, that's also from Goren Hay. Ayan. And then, of course, on your other side, this will be your bathroom. Sa bathroom nyo, what you see here is what you get. Ang ganda ng vanity mirror natin. Malawak yung lavatory. Meron tayong water closet. And then, of course, may bidet tayo dyan. And then, of course, meron tayo ditong glass enclosure. Rain shower na rin siya. Since this is a studio unit, of course, malawak yung living and dining natin. Split type aircon is also included na. And then, this will be space naman for your bedroom. So, sa bedroom natin, etong modular closet, sobrang ganda niya. So, included na rin siya. And then, meron tayong access to your balcony dito. So, pwede nating maging view to your balcony will be Antipolo Mountains or Ortigas Skyline. So, again, this is only 14,000 pesos per month with only annual lump sum of 650,000. So, yung total contract price natin is 18 million. Comment down, invest, so I can send you the full details of this project. Again, I am Jared Magnayhi and welcome to Buhay Ahente.